Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you guys some drop shipping wholesale vendors list for hair. So if you want to start your own hair business, you can without buying all that inventory, girl. Just go ahead and drop ship it. So let me show y'all vendor number one. Take a screenshot. That's the name at the top. They sell a lot of different styles of wigs, bundles. As you can see, they got the body waves, the deep waves, and y'all, the hair on AliExpress is very cheap. Like, I get all my wigs from AliExpress, and these are verified vendors. Like, I've sampled them myself because this is the only place I buy my wigs is AliExpress. So they do have like body wave, deep waves, and y'all see the prices. The price is pricing, okay, like in a good way. Like, the prices are very affordable, so you could buy a $50 wig and flip it. Let me show y'all some more of their products. If you click orders at the top, it'll show you like the most ordered, hair. So those are the ones you definitely want to mess with and sell with the most reviews. This is the vendor's info, like how long they've been in business. And yeah, so you can definitely start your own hair business without buying all that inventory. Just, do drop shipping. They even have colored wigs, as you can see. This is the second vendor. Be sure to screenshot. If you're asking where is this platform, this is AliExpress. You can get my full vendors list down below, the link in the description for the full list. But yeah, so this vendor has like cheap bundles, as you can see. 7-day delivery, free shipping. So the shipping is even free. You feel me? Like, you don't even have to pay. Usually when you working with other vendors, Alibaba, they charge like hundreds of dollars for shipping. But this vendor, yeah, they have free shipping, fast shipping at that. Yes, don't think on AliExpress, what about the shipping? It's gonna be 2 weeks. No, girl. When it comes to hair on AliExpress, baby, they got 3 to 5 day shipping. So always look at the reviews as well. And you can even start your own wig, braid wig business. You know what I'm saying? It's like people, they love wigs. You feel me? Like, you can always sell a wig. And this one also has 12-day delivery. But they do have faster delivery as well. So you can get this full vendors list down below. I only mess with vendors that got reviews. You know what I'm saying? I always sample the hair. I always make sure the quality is A1. Because for me, AliExpress, their wigs, they last forever. So like I said, you can get this full vendors list, hair wig list in the description. I do make pre-made dropship stores too. So if you want a pre-made hair store, check out the description, sis, and I got you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next video.